So just a really quick one for you guys. I found this out the other day as I was kind of flying around, and pretty much what you need is a really cheap cell phone. I got this for literally $5. You can pick up a sale on these prepaid cell phones. There's no activation required, but what you're wanting to do is download an app called Next Radio, and this Next Radio uses the FM chip in your cell phone. Believe it or not, there is a FM chip on a lot of cell phones, and all I'm doing here is basically plugging in a little cable that I got from the dollar store that cost $1 and hooking it up to my headset. Cool thing about this is it's got the auto scan feature, so as opposed to like an analog radio or something like that, you can see exactly what station that you're on. Since you're in the air, it's pretty cool because you can pick up a lot of radio stations for a long period of time. I have Spotify on my phone, which is great. I listen to a bunch of songs, but I really like kind of breaking up the cross countries with a radio station and listening to the local stuff. So I really enjoy listening to FM radio, and this is a very inexpensive way of doing it. I plug it right into a headset. I've got the Bose headset, and this one is, I can't even remember what manufacturer this is, but most of them have a input jack, which you can just plug it right up and you're good to go. So hopefully this will help out some people that do those long cost countries and want to hear some tunes. Till next time.